I'm that woman who woke up in yesterday's clothes, rubbing my eyes confused, still haunted by yesterday's woes. But I'm learning to control her, and I'm learning to console her. Exhaustion said sleep, but I know God who keeps me sheltered and sane. He knows my name. So I ran to the rock. I sat there and took stock of every blessing. And after a while, I stopped stressing. I stayed up and I prayed up. I listened to God and I listened to me. I sat in the silence and let myself be. I let myself feel and I let myself heal. I took to the waters, fragrant soap washing cares away. I let myself melt into the warmth of its cleansing flow, cleansing myself. What is self? Self is a woman I put on the shelf, far out of reach. She was dusty from lack of use, busy, too busy, my only excuse. Fragrant soap washed the day away, and there was nothing left for me to say but thank you for gifts I didn't even notice I had. It turns out today wasn't all that bad. As I washed the day off with water sweetly scented, I heard the voice of the one to whom I lamented. Woman, you are valued and purposed by God to do mighty work. From the boardroom to the laundry room, all you touch gains more worth. You speak life from your lips. You give life from your hips. As new life escapes from the womb, let your dreams escape from the tomb of your mind where you buried them. Dreams laid down like Lazarus, now coming forth reeking of doubt, fear, and inadequacy. But wait, didn't God say he had a plan for me? The body can rest, but the spirit flies free. God has a plan for me.